This is wild. I'm turning one football stage into 2 AI ads inside DomoAI. First, Seedance makes a sneaker commercial with voiceover and sound effects. Then Gigi takes over the stadium with a character dance swap. Let's dive in. DomoAI is built for creators who want images and videos without a painful toolchain. The interface is simple enough for beginners, but the feature set goes deep. You have AI video for generation, AI image for creating or editing source images, and AI editing for things like enhancement. For this video, the star is AI video, especially Seedance 2.0 and character to video. Case study 1 is the Lara sneaker ad. The idea is simple. We start with a still image of a premium football boot on grass, Lara styled like the face of a global football campaign, stadium lights, gold confetti, and that championship energy. Then we use DomoAI Seedance 2.0 to turn that image into a cinematic short clip. Seedance 2.0 is image to video, and the huge detail is audio generated at the same time. It can take one image and turn it into a short cinematic clip with motion, camera direction, matching scene voiceover, and sound effects in the same pass. For a sneaker commercial, that means camera movement around the shoe, crowd atmosphere, stadium light flashes, impact sounds, and a voiceover that already fits the scene. DomoAI also gives 2 Seedance options. Seedance 2.0 is the full quality version with stronger prompt adherence, better for final clips. Seedance 2.0 Fast is better when you want quicker, lower-cost idea testing. So for Lara's sneaker ad, I would use Fast to test the camera angle and pacing, then switch to the full Seedance 2.0 model when the visual direction feels right. The workflow is clean. Create or upload the image, go to Actions, choose Image to Video, write the motion direction, and let DomoAI keep the image as the anchor. That matters because the shoe design, Lara's style, and the football campaign look need to stay consistent instead of turning into a random new scene. Case study 2 is where it gets even crazier. We take Gigi as the character image, then use character to video with a dance reference video. DomoAI transfers the motion from the reference onto the character, so Gigi can dance in a football stadium without manually animating every move. This is perfect for short-form edits, mascot content, music video moments, and social media campaigns. Character to video is basically motion follow. Upload one image and one video, and the character in the image follows the movements in the video. For our World Cup style stadium scene, that means Gigi can hit the dance steps, the camera can feel energetic, and the final clip can look like a branded stadium performance instead of a static character poster. And DomoAI is not just those 2 tools. There is talking avatar for lip-sync speaking characters, including emotion control and multi-voice conversations. There is video to video for restyling footage in just 2 steps. Frames to video can connect 2 to 8 images with smooth transitions. Text to video, upscale, Nano Banana Pro, and AI image editing all sit in the same creative ecosystem. The honest part is that you still need taste. The better your source image, prompt, and reference motion, the better the output. But DomoAI makes the experimentation fast enough that you can test a sneaker ad, a dance swap, a character clip, and a social edit without rebuilding the whole workflow in different tools. So if you are making AI sports edits, music videos, product visuals, character content, or just wild social clips, DomoAI is worth testing. Use Seedance 2.0 for cinematic image-to-video moments with scene voiceovers and sound effects, character to video for motion swaps, and the rest of the toolkit to polish the idea. Check the DomoAI links below, generate one video for free, and subscribe to AI Bros for more AI workflows that actually look fun to use.